Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube about the JVZOO for beginners in 2020. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the ways how you personally can start promoting JVZOO products on your affiliate marketing business. So first of all, we gotta understand that the JVZOO is one of the many affiliate marketplaces there are, and you can choose from. And most of the products on JVZOO marketplace are situated around the make money online niche. That means, there are different courses that teach people how to make money online, and there are also different, what I like to call, supporting products. By that I mean supporting that, they are helping you towards making money online, and they are helping you with the most of the daily systems, daily tasks that you would normally do, and they help you automate them so you don't have to spend that much time and energy on them. Now, most of the products on JVZOO have and offer around 50% commission. Most of them, I would say probably 80% of all the products, they do have 50% commission, which is great. Now, they don't really have more than 50% on the other hand. However, you can ensure that you will get 50% at least. Now, another great thing about JVZOO is that most of the products, they do have a large sales funnel. Now, you might ask, what is sales funnel? A sales funnel is basically a set of additional products or upgrades, you might even call them. And these upgrades are genuinely offered by the product owner to the customer that buys basically from you or from anybody else, and they are offering them these kind of upgrades in order to make additional sales for their products. And now the good thing is that you, as an affiliate marketer, you can get a commission, or you will basically get a commission from all of these additional products, additional sales as well. And great thing is, again, most of these additional products have 50% commission. So what that means for you is that from basically one sale, you can get a commission of 3 or 4, even 4 products at once. So this is amazing. Now, when it comes to the dashboard and when it comes to the functionality of the JVZOO platform, I really do like it. Especially I like the filters and all of this stuff, because with the filters you can literally see how many sales are done with this product, which makes it very, very clear for you whether this product is good product, if it is a good selling product. And also there is a refund rate, which means it shows you exactly whether the product is refunded many times, or on the other hand not, which is what we want to aim for, because when the refund rate is low, that means that the customers are happy with the product, and that is really what you want to aim for, because nobody wants refunds. And if there is a refund, then you will basically, your commission will be again as well refunded. So that's it. Now, with JVZOO, there is one little catch, and that is called request to promote the product, which means basically that you cannot really promote any product at all without asking for a permission of the product owner. Now, this is a little bit different to, for example, ClickBank, where in ClickBank you can basically promote any product at all. You don't need to ask for any permission. You can just take or generate your hop links, which is called the affiliate links, and you can promote them whenever you want. With JVZOO, you gotta ask for a permission of the product owner. Now, this might sound a little bit scary for at least, especially for beginners in the beginnings, because you might be scared of not being accepted to really sell these kind of products. However, there is nothing to be really worried about, because what it does, the request for approval, is that it basically tells the product owner about yourself, about you as an affiliate marketer, and the ways how you want to basically promote their products. So there is nothing to be really worried about. The only thing that you need to cover is the way how you are going to promote, what kind of strategies you are going to use, what kind of methods, and all of these stuff. It doesn't need to be long. It can be 2 or 3 sentences, and you will most of the times you will just get approved without any further effort on your end. Now the reason behind that is that the product owners, they do not really like when their products are just spammed all over internet, all of these affiliate links all over the place. And the thing is, especially with the affiliate marketers who are just starting, we use and we tend to literally just spam our affiliate links all over the place, hoping for a sale. And I'm saying we, because I'm no difference in this, because when I was starting, I was exactly the same. I was just hoping for a sale, and I just tried to spam all over the place the links. However, this is really a method that is short term, or short viewed, or how is it called, and you cannot really make sales, to be honest with you. Now don't get me wrong, you can get sales here and there, but it's more of a luck and like a hope than literally like an income or a business. And it took me a while to understand this, and when I finally understood it, that changed the whole concept of my business. It changed the whole direction of myself with affiliate marketing, and I really started to generate the sales that I always wanted, and have that great sales and that affiliate marketing business. And now, so when it comes to affiliate marketing, and it doesn't really mean if it is JVZOO or ClickBank or whatever you're using, you gotta think about your strategy. What are the ways you are using, and how are you going to promote it? Are you going to just splash and spam all over the place your affiliate links, or are you going to literally promote it in the right way, create the relationship with your customers, and literally build up that trust, likeness, and all of this stuff with your clients? Are you going to create valuable content for them, something of your own? And this is the way how the business of affiliate marketing is done genuinely. And when you master this, then you will be very, very successful in your business, and it doesn't really matter what kind of product you will choose. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get lots of value from it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to know and learn more about this beautiful business that I am just obsessed with it, then I highly encourage you to click the link below in the description. It's the first link over there. And I've created a 4-day free video series for all of you guys who are interested in affiliate marketing, who want to learn it, and you want to start really your affiliate marketing journey on your own. So just go ahead, click there. It's completely free. You will get full access to it, and over the course of the next 4 days you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing, and especially about the strategies to use and implement into your business of your own. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.